Welcome to your guide on listing your property on Airbnb. Let's simplify the steps together. First, create your Airbnb account. Fill in your details and verify your identity to build trust. Next, gather essential information about your property, location, size, and amenities. Time to snap stunning photos. Highlight your space from various angles to attract more guests. Now, craft a captivating description. Share what makes your property unique and inviting. Lastly, set your pricing. Analyze similar listings to be competitive while valuing your space. Once your listing is live, promote it on social media for greater exposure. Share your space's story. Respond promptly to inquiries and reviews to impress potential guests. Good communication is key. Regularly update your listing based on seasons and trends to keep it relevant and attractive. Finally, monitor your performance through Airbnb analytics. Adjust your strategy for continued growth. And remember, patience is key while you build your reputation. Enjoy hosting. Thank you for joining us. Now, unleash your property's potential on Airbnb.